Is divided in actuator and sensor. If it is sensor fault any, then yellow LED glowing sensor block. If it is any actuator means cylinder. It is only two fault code in the system. It is a sensor cable or actuator cylinder. If it is any connection problem and like that fault and like, so yellow LED will glow in that box, actuator or sensor. If it is any fire condition happen, the sensor will activated and the system will be also activated in the engine compartment, and sounder also will buzzer at that time.
Secondly, this testing is carried out in apparatus. At least 8 nozzles are tested. The nozzle will be having some angle, so it should cover the whole area, engine area. Depending on the engine area, the nozzles can be fitted, and number of nozzles, again the pressure is required, so accordingly you have to increase the or decrease the nitrogen cylinder requirement.
Now we just check the by reset button system, it is working or properly functioning like that. It is a reset testing, normally working function, we can check this. Now we can operate on the manually. This is a FD-AS or FD-SS button. There is a basically 2 button ports is there for FAS and FPS for passenger compartment, and FD-AS or FD-SS for engine compartment. So red and yellow button is there for the engine or passenger compartment. So we are now activating only red button for engine compartment. Suppress karo.
Any questions are there?
It is provided on which vehicles, electric vehicles or CNG vehicles?
No, it is basically CNG, same diesel, CNG or type 3 buses or school buses.
Not for
No.
Electric buses are not.
Electric bus के लिए नहीं. See, there this AS 135. There is a standard for this FD-AS,
AS or
SS or FPS. So that standard in the scope itself it is mentioned that it is not applicable for the battery operated vehicle. So it is only for the fossil fuel. Where the engine is there, you have to just I can say.
I want to make it is a 24 bar pressure rail.
It is 24 bar pressurized cylinder.
In this cylinder.
Cylinder. Yeah. It is a nitrogen.
Foam based liquid.
See, there are
It's
two
a
types.
suppression.
One is foam based, one is you can say powder based. The choice is with you.
But actually, this type of system is using in Volvo vehicles.
Huh?
This type of
Volvo.
system is always using.
Volvo. It is OEM fitted there.
See, not Volvo, it is CMVR requirement now. So we have added in Volvo. Volvo, there are 16 nozzles. Okay. Because Volvo engine area, if you see, it is larger
Yeah, now
as compared to
actually,
other.
there is 5 sensors are there. 5 sensors are for sensing this heat.
It's not 5. There
Not
will be
five.
more
5
than.
sensors. Actually, 5 sensors in Volvo engine cabin for sensing the heat temperature.
This
This heat temperature cable na, it is
will
rooted
go
in the
periphery of the
engine area.
engine.
Say
He is
Irrespective
sensing
of, you can say, nozzle. See, any part that the temperature may go high.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah,
So it
basically,
means,
like, yeah.
sometimes it will be a false alarm also.
At what temperature it operates?
187.
187 degrees.
123.
ठीक है?
Any doubt?
करो ठीक है.
एक्चुएट होने के बाद इसको स्टॉप कर सकते हैं अपन मैनुअली?
No. One time suppress directly.
फिर सिलेंडर चेंज करना पड़ेगा.
Directly cylinder will change.
That can be easily replaced. अब देखो थोड़ा लंबा
स्टार्ट कर
रहो.
सकते हैं, ऑफ नहीं कर सकते.
हाँ. But at least गाड़ी और इंजन दोनों बच जाए.
Validity period of that cylinder.
Safety.
3 years every HPTM refilling mandatory.
3 years.
And whole system 1 year warranty.
Just like आपका CNG का आता है ना टेस्ट, तो सेम इज एप्लीकेबल फॉर दिस ऑल्सो.
Start.
Yes.
3, 2, 1, start.
उसको 3 टाइम प्रेस किया ना? एक ही बार.